What I really love about oncology is the patients. The patients are, I think, very special patients. Most people are really being placed in a life or death situation, and it's a hard place to be. And I think providing them with the help, the support, with options, there's a huge value for that, no matter what those options are. It is also my philosophy that I'm not the person who's going to make the decision for the patient. The patient has to make that decision, and they are making that decision based on the information that I am giving them. A better educated patient is going to make a better decision for themselves. I'm really excited about the Breast Cancer Center. I think it's a wonderful thing for the women in this community. No longer will they have to be traveling to get the quality of care that they deserve. We're offering clinical trials, we have a wonderful education process, we have a patient navigator, we have so many things to offer. It's an exciting opportunity for the women in this community.